First thing to do is to select your potato. Make sure your spot is free of rot or anything that you don't want to put in your mouth. Be sure to rinse your potato under a tap and dry it. Once you've done that, grab a fork and stab that potato like Julius Caesar. Oh no, hold on. Best if I use two hands. I have big hands. Okay. Not doing this could result in an explosion. Once sufficiently stabbed, it's now time to put the Murphy into the microwave. Smaller potatoes like this one take 3 minutes to cook, while larger ones take 5 or 7 minutes. Or you can just press the potato button if your oven happens to have one. Now that your yam is cooked, you may prepare your plant however you like it. If you're lazy, just add salt. Should not have recorded the video part first.